Kanyakumari, at the southern tip of India, is known for its natural beauty, rich culture, and the meeting point of three seas. Among its many villages, Thiruvattar, a remote village in Kanyakumari district, is famous for its timeless traditions, farming, and simple way of life. Today, Thiruvattar tells a different story. A humble beginning of the school started in 1999 at Chandra House, Thiruvattar, with just 3 students by our chairman, Dr. Sri Kumar.
In the beginning, our chairman, Dr. Sri Kumar, personally drove 3 students to school in an ambassador car.
Today, Excel Central School operates with more than 50 vehicles, transporting countless students with care.
From a single car to a fleet, we've grown with every mile.
Greetings to all. As we gather to celebrate the Silver Jubilee of Excel Central School and Crystal Jubilee of Excel Global School, I am filled with immense pride and deep gratitude. This journey began with a passion and vision to close the gap between rural and urban school education. I wanted to give the children of my village, Thiruvattar, access to quality education and international learning opportunities that once felt out of reach. We believe education is not just about academic success, but about building character and preparing students to take on the world with purpose and compassion. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all educators, staff, students, parents, and well-wishers who have been the pillars of this institution. Together, we have turned this dream into a reality, and we will continue to strive for excellence in the years to come. Thank you.
To 2005, building the dream. Excel Central School achieved significant milestones during this period. The Pinnacle Hive block and Hillview block were constructed to accommodate the growing student strength, with the latter officially inaugurated in 2002 by Sri Gagandeep Singh Bedi IAS, Collector of Kanyakumari District.
Key developments included the Space Observatory block, a swimming pool, the Junior Hive Exploration Building, the inauguration of the 4th ground for sport, and the VKACC Memorial Quadrangle, showcasing the school's commitment to growth and excellence.
2006 to 2010, advancing education. Excel Central School made remarkable strides during this period. it received affiliation from the Council for Indian School Certificate Examinations (CISCE) and introduced its first computer lab.
Music studios were established and Excel Global School with the Cambridge curriculum was launched. Dedicated labs for physics, chemistry, botany and zoology were added and the school was upgraded to ISC for senior secondary education.
The Excel Wisdom Center was also inaugurated, enhancing the academic resources for students.
Good day, everyone. As I reflect on my journey, I'm deeply grateful for the support I've received along the way. First and foremost, I want to thank the teachers of Excel who have been the true pillars of my growth. Your guidance and belief in me have shaped not only my career but also my values. I also owe my deepest gratitude to my parents, Dr. Srikumar and Mrs. Brinda Srikumar, whose vision and love have always been my guiding light. Their constant support and leadership have been the foundation of Excel's success. Thank you all for being a part of this amazing journey.
2011 to 2015, Global Outreach and Recognition. During this period, Excel Central School achieved remarkable milestones. It entered the Guinness Book of World Records for the largest finger painting and organized the student expedition to the Himalayas with the chairman.
The first ICC batch secured 100% results and the senior harmony block was open. The chairman visited Oxford University and 7 schools in London to adopt innovative educational strategies.
In 2013, State Board Higher Secondary School was introduced and the same year, chairman led a student tour to the USA.
Aquaponics was initiated. The Excel Space Observatory was inaugurated online by NASA astronaut Dr. James Rayleigh. The school earned the ISO 9001-2008 certification for excellence, and our chairman visited the National University of Singapore to explore advanced teaching methodologies.
Hi everybody, good day and greetings to you all. As a principal of Excel Central School, I feel immense pride and gratitude as we celebrate this Silver Jubilee year. Being a part of this incredible institution for the past 18 years has been a journey of learning, growth and countless cherished memories. Excel has always stood for excellence in education, values and holistic development, shaping countless young minds. This milestone is not just a celebration, it's a reflection of our shared dreams, hard work and unwavering spirit. May Excel continue to shine brighter with each passing year. Thank you for being a part of this journey.
2016 to 2020. Our school was recognized as India's best school with a 4A+ certification by Education Hub Careers 360. IIMN was inaugurated. The beach volleyball court was also inaugurated in 2016.
Special recognitions. The Excel Philosopher Hall was inaugurated by Dr. Taylor Richard from Harvard University, USA.
Excel was selected for an international award by Great Place to Study for promoting sustainable education.
In 2019, Dr. Donald Allen Thomas, a NASA astronaut, visited our school and interacted with the students and teachers and ignited their curiosity for space science.
Our school conducted a trade fair and university expo to promote student engagement and practical learning. These achievements highlight Excel Central School's commitment to excellence, global collaboration, and fostering holistic education.
Greetings to all. Serving as both a teacher and vice principal at Excel Central School for the past 19 years has been a journey filled with moments of joy, growth, and purpose. This Jubilee year stands as a testament to the dedication, resilience, and shared vision that have shaped our incredible journey. As a teacher, I have been honored to guide and be inspired by young minds. And as a vice principal, I have witnessed the unwavering spirit of our Excel family striving for excellence. Excel is not just a school, it's a heaven where values thrive, dreams take flight, and lives are transformed. I'm deeply thankful to every student, parent, and colleague for being part of this beautiful journey. Together, let's build an even brighter future. Thank you.
Excel received Asian Pacific Excellence Award from an organization called Radisson Gurugram, India. In 2022, the Excel Community Connect program was started as a part of social service, and it was inaugurated by our ministers, Honorable Anbil Mahesh Poyamali and Honorable Mano Tangaraj.
In 2023, Excel introduced 13 new STEAM labs, which include aerospace, anatomy, culinary, carpentry, electrical, electronics and circuitry, machine tools, tailoring, animation and designing, Lego innovation, AI and robotics.
An integrated firm was established to promote sustainable agriculture practices. As part of social service, the Excel Community Wisdom Center was initiated to foster community learning. Linguistic Language Lab was inaugurated to enhance language learning.
At Excel Central School, we believe in holistic development nurtured through our unique 5A's approach: Arokya, attitude, academic, artistic and athletics. Arokya focuses on fostering physical and mental well-being through yoga, mindful practices, organic farming, kitchen gardening and regular health checkups.
Attitude building is a priority. Programs like the School Pledge, NCC and Scouts foster discipline and patriotism. TEDx talks and moral education classes inspire students to think critically and act ethically, shaping confident, responsible individuals. When it comes to academics, Excel Central School stands as a shining example of excellence. From humble beginnings to achieving remarkable milestone, our journey has been a successful one.
Our academic excellence took a significant leap in 2010 when we proudly celebrated our first ICSE batch passing out. Since then, year after year, we have upheld this tradition, showcasing the dedication of our students, the guidance of our teachers, and the unwavering support of our parents.
Now, let's have a glimpse of the results from the past few years.
Beyond these accomplishments, many of our alumni have pursued higher education abroad, earning admissions to some of the world's most prestigious universities.
It is not just enough to be educated. It is important to know how to acquire the knowledge, where to look for the knowledge, and how to apply that knowledge in our life and the world outside so that it makes the world a better place for all of us. This is exactly what Excel taught me. It was not only about the textbooks. It was about how to look for more knowledge and experience, how to gain more exposure, and how to put your skills to the best use. At this remarkable 25 years of your service, I extend a hearty congratulations on all the milestones Excel has achieved.
Hello everyone, this is Suraksha from the batch of 2012. Currently, I'm working as a product manager at Bajaj Finserv Limited, Pune. So I just want to say how much Excel Central School has helped me in shaping my academic career and who I am today. Yeah, I wish all the teachers, students to have an amazing annual day celebration. Just have fantastic time, make it memorable, as these are the moments which is gonna stay with you forever.
Hello all. I'm Dr. Anandu Krishna J.S. and I'm currently doing my orthopedics residency training at Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences, Cochin. Well, being a proud alumnus of Excel Central School, my education here has been truly phenomenal and metamorphic. But thanks to my parents, they chose Excel. This school and my teachers are responsible for what I am today. I am forever grateful to my school and I wouldn't think twice before I grab any opportunity to collaborate with my school in the future. Thank you.
Hello, this is Judson, an alumnus of Excel, currently pursuing final year of BBLLB at Alliance University, Bangalore. Excel was not just a school for me, it was a place where I built my foundation, discovered my strength and created countless memories. The guidance I received has shaped my journey. On this Jubilee year, I wish my school many more years of success and excellence. Thank you.
Good day everyone, this is Magdalene Jude and I'm an alumnus of Excel. Currently, I'm a final year BTech student at PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore. So today, as we celebrate the 25-year Silver Jubilee of Excel, I would like to take a moment to both congratulate Excel and to look at its incredible journey. Excel has always been like a second home for me. It has never compromised to provide its world-class education to all its students. And I would like to extend my gratitude to Chairman Sir, who has always been like my inspiration and a mentor. And once again, congratulations Excel for this 25 years of excellence. Thank you.
I have never been a disciplined kid, but learning amongst a community of motivated students and teachers ever so ready to help, I learned to dream and actualize a few. From setting the daily micro goals to the I am grateful column on the daily dashboard, Excel has taught me to lead and live. The saga has lasted for 25 years now, and I believe this will be a story of infinite possibilities. Wishing all the best to Excel, Excelites, and the rest of the Excel family members.
This legacy of academic brilliance is not just about scores. It's about nurturing well-rounded individuals who are ready to lead, inspire, and make a difference. At Excel Central School, we believe education is not just preparation for exams, it's preparation for life. As we celebrate these achievements, let us continue this journey of academic excellence together, striving to reach even greater heights. Because at Excel Central School, excellence is not just an act, but a habit, and it defines who we are.
Artistic expression is celebrated through a variety of activities, including dance, music, art, craft, fancy dress, floral design, and a lot many. These opportunities inspire creativity, build confidence, and allow students to explore their unique talents.
Athletics plays a vital role in developing physical fitness and teamwork. We offer a wide range of indoor games like chess and billiards, as well as outdoor sports including football, volleyball, throwball, basketball, kho-kho, cricket, kabaddi, and swimming. These activities instill discipline, resilience, and a spirit of sportsmanship in our students.
As we draw the curtains, our hearts are brimming with joy and gratitude. This journey has been a celebration of our shared dreams, our unwavering unity, and the countless milestones we have achieved together. As we step into a new year, it's time to honor our past, cherish our present, and embrace the future with open arms. Together, we will continue to inspire, achieve, and make a difference.
With heartfelt gratitude, the staff of Excel thank the management for the unwavering support and inspiring leadership. May Excel's legacy of excellence continue to shine brightly for years to come.
Greetings to everyone. I deeply recall our chairman's sincerity and unwavering intention to serve society by constructing an ICSE school at Tiruvata with high quality education. He stands before us as a true role model, inspiring us with his vision and dedication. His journey proves that with a clear aim and vision, great achievements are possible. Let all my dear students and teachers take inspiration from our chairman and believe that we too can achieve anything if we have a vision and the determination to pursue it. By being highly ambitious and working with passion, each of us can turn our dreams into reality. I wish our beloved chairman to get succeeded in realizing all his visions and future plans. The Excel family promises its support in making all his aspirations come true. I thank everyone who has supported our chairman in the growth of Excel Central School, and we seek your continued support in the future as well. Thank you.
Let us continue to dream, inspire, and achieve, because the best is yet to come.